Yeah. Okay, fair enough. I'll do the test again. And this time, I'm not going to dilute the bleach. I'm going to put it on neat. And this time, we're going to do it on sandstone. So let's see what that difference is. The plan is, we're going to do this side with the bleach. We're going to leave this side and just see how much that cleans within 15 minutes. Then on this side, I'm going to use the hypochlorite, sodium hypochlorite 15%, to see how good that is compared to the bleach. So I think that's a fair test. We're going to put it on neat. And then we're going to use the best stuff on the market, which is the hypo. Hypo is by far the best. And we're going to stick it on time-lapse as well. I definitely got to wet it all down first, otherwise if I just put the bleach on as is, it's just going to clump up, not work. So we 100% got to wet it, but only just enough, you know, not a lot. So it's a bit of water, a bit of grass. Let's get the grass and a bush there, a bit of a soak. So any chemical get on it, any bleach will be heavily diluted already. That's your main thing. Let's just rub this round. Any surface crap off the top. Yeah, so all that's been diluted with water. So any chemical goes on it. It'll be fine. Stop freaking out in the comments. Using domestos unbeatable strength. Kills all known germs. Dead. I'm not diluting it, so I'm squirting that on this half here. I'm going to leave that, and we'll see the difference between them two. Right. Let's squirt it all on. I might even use up the whole tub as well. Right, let's get some more down there. Some more over there. Bit under here. Actually, there's no need to use it all because that is ample. Right. I can see already, without agitating it, where it's been is doing something. Right, let's mix it all up. Now back to the other camera where I can use two hands and really rub it in. So this is 15 minutes. You can tell it's definitely making a difference. But yeah, we're actually going to wait for 30 now, not 15. Just in case somebody says so. Get a bit of the old water on there. Alright, we might as well wet that down as well. Actually, this isn't lichen. This is actual stone. That bit is. But this is not. Can you see the pattern? That's natural. That's fine. That won't come off. Well, I'm quite happy with that. So, yes, fair enough. Right, this side we'll use the sodium hypochlorite, the best stuff on the market. Right, this stuff is the best. Right, first of all, let's go put my mask on. Alright, well this has only been on literally a minute or two and it's already looking loads better. But we're going to give it half hour. Possibly my next video is this jointing compound starting to come out. This was the brushing grout. A couple of little holes in it, but this has been down for 8 years already. And I installed this properly because I compacted it all the way down. And it's pretty good, just the occasional little hole. So this is going to be the next video, but this time we're going to use buff. Still another 15 minutes. All right, 30 minutes is up. It all looks pretty similar, doesn't it? All right, let's get some water on it. And let's hose this sucker down. back now, a couple of hours later, just see it's dried out pretty good. So yeah, that side was done with just plain bleach. That side was done with a hypo. And it is exactly the same. I'll just get one more angle in there. So yeah, brilliant. As regards to using bleach, perfect. Just don't dilute it and it will actually work just as good as the sodium hypochlorite, but the sodium hypochlorite does do it faster. But don't matter, half hour, still done, isn't it? Like and bloody well subscribe. Tidy.